back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Here in my channel, I show you guys how I functionally and decoratively plan my planner spreads for the weeks and for the months. And today I'm going to be planning and decorating my classic horizontal happy planner that I use as a journal. And so this one gets a little less decoration just because I like to leave a lot of white space to go ahead and journal for the week. And for the spread, I'm going to be using some stickers from the Sweet Dreamy Rainbows sticker collection from Growing Modestly. So let's go ahead and get to planning. All right, so here the plan is to always remove the note section. This becomes like a little bit of a scene area. So these are some stickers I had left over from a kit. So let's see what we can create here. I am going to bring in, as a matter of fact, some stickers from the bunnies at tea because I think these would actually pair very nicely together with this. So I'm going to bring in some of these stickers here, see if we can use them. So mostly the washi strips, I think. Like this reddish color won't go. The lavender, maybe, I'm not sure. The green, no. And the pink, no. Maybe even the functionals in this sheet would work. I'm gonna put the others to the side. So let's go ahead and look at the washi that we have to work with. I'm actually thinking that this washi would be good across the top here. I don't know if it'll be enough, but let's try it. And I'm only gonna put part of that washi strip down, not the whole part right there. So here's April's currently page, obviously not filled out yet because we're not there yet. Let's go ahead and cut this. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're happy and that you're healthy and that everything is going well for you. Let's see. I'm gonna flip it this way. And then put it across the other side here. I know it's not going to be exactly straight because I think I didn't cut the extra off exactly straight. So we'll do what we can. Let me see. Yeah, we're going to cut this before it gets to the, before it gets to the month of March because I don't want it to cover March. So let's go ahead and maybe right about right here, maybe. Looks good on this side right here. I'm gonna do the same over here. I'm gonna cut part of it off. I'm not gonna let it stay all the way across like that. There's my ruler. Okay, so we're gonna cut it here as well. Okay. This looks semi-uniform. So we got the sky there. I think these hearts are pretty cute. I think that's all I'm gonna use from the Bunnies at Tea washi. Heart spring, maybe we can do that. So let's use this one down at the very bottom, right here. Hopefully this will go all the way across. If not, we can figure something out for that. Okay. Yay. And then we'll put this one above it. Kind of like the bluey scene here. It's cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next time I get Growing Modestly stickers, I think I need to invest in that removable matte type of sticker because every time I try to lift them up when I get the regular kind of stickers, like it's just not gonna work. Okay. And then we can put strand of this one across as well. And then I think we're good on the bottom part after that. Oh no. Hopefully this lifts. We'll see. Ah, come on. Oh. Yeah, I just was not gonna leave it like that. I just couldn't. Okay. Okay, I think it looks good. We're not gonna mess with the bottom part here anymore because I think if I do, I'm just gonna mess it all up. All right, so here what we can do is maybe move these over. Have them right here. And this one can go back with this. All right, and then this one can stay with this since it's about the same kind of colorway. I'm gonna stay with these. Okay. All right, so we're good on the washi. Let's go ahead and bring in these decorative elements. So each one of these, I put those little rainbows that came with that. And so I think we're gonna be good with deco just being on the actual sheets, but we'll see. Let me see here. I'm gonna do like this and like that. These I know are gonna go on this side over here. So let's do this one. Right about there. And then this one. Will go here. Another one right in here. And then something different has to go here because I think I ran out of boxes. This is what I have left. We can do one of these. The only thing is that I don't have another one that color. Okay, I was looking through some other stuff and I don't think I have anything. Unless, although this is gonna be, yeah, I can't lift that. I already put it down. And if I try to lift that, that's not gonna go either. So let's see. Okay, I think I've got it. It's not gonna be pretty, but I think it'll be functional. And I think that's the most important part of everything here. Okay, so we're gonna do like this, and then we're gonna do like that. This one. Okay. This will go down here. This one will go down here. And this other one, and what I'm gonna do so I don't have to try to lift an existing sticker off of here, because that's obviously just not gonna happen with these stickers, because I didn't get the repositional type. She does have repositional type stickers. I don't think I went for those, so lesson learned. Okay, and then this one will go up here, and I don't think we really need to put anything down on Sunday, but you know, just to kind of keep everything the same, I'm going to try to draw my own box here. So let's do it. I don't know. That's not looking really good, is it? I don't know why that happened. I think I had used a black pen. Y'all, like, this is just not working for me. Okay. I mean, It's not perfect, right? But it's something. I'm gonna need to clean this ruler. And then I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. It's just blank. So what I'm thinking I can do with it, so I can use it, maybe cut it at an angle like this. Okay. So then we've got this. And then we can have this. There we go. Using what I got, using what I got. And you know, I really don't like how that looks like this. I'm gonna try to go in with a pen. Try to clean this up as much as I can. Okay, does that look a little better? I'm hoping it does. I'll do the same thing over here. Okay, that's the best I could clean it up. But I think it's better than what was there before. So let me go ahead and take one last look here. And, you know, for a spread where I was using a bunch of leftover stickers and not, you know, a brand new sticker kit, I think this turned out pretty good. I like the colors, very calming. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially when I was having a little bit of a struggle earlier trying to get the stickers to kind of work together. Especially, it's kind of hard just when you have odds and ends of stickers, but from odds and ends, you can come up with something like this. So I'm very happy with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.